Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound problem in Audacity. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, open Audacity on your computer. If you can't hear any sound during playback, the problem is usually related to the playback device, volume settings, or audio configuration. Click Audio Setup at the top and check the playback device. Make sure your speakers or headphones are selected correctly. Next, play your audio and check the playback volume slider in Audacity. Increase the volume if it is set too low. Now open Windows Settings, go to System, then Sound, and make sure the correct output device is selected. Also check that the system volume is not muted. If there is still no sound, go to Edit, then Preferences, and open Audio Settings. Confirm that the playback device is set correctly. You can also try closing Audacity and opening it again. Sometimes restarting the application refreshes the audio device connection. Play the audio once more. If you can hear the waveform during playback, the problem has been fixed successfully. These simple steps solve most no-sound problems in Audacity and help restore normal audio playback. That's how to fix the no-sound problem in Audacity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome.